And nice and calm, you're playing like two little children, enjoying yourself, not a care in the world. Okay, now you can understand what I mean by being in each other's space. You're playing like two children, happy and throwing the ball back and forth. Okay, and there's no competition now. You're just throwing the ball nice and easy, back and forth, and breathe in, and hold it, and breathe out, and breathe in, and breathe out. So now you're both concentrating, your eyes are shut. Concentrate on the ball. See the ball. See the ball in the air. High in the air. The ball is coming down. Only one of you will be able to catch that ball. Who's gonna catch the ball? See the ball. Feel the ball. One of you are going to catch that ball. And breathe in and breathe out. On the count of 3, breathe in and breathe out. You're gonna feel energized and happy. No matter who catches that ball, you're gonna be happy as Steve Deitch and Joe Pasillo. Breathe in. 1, breathe out, 2 and 3. How are you feeling, guys?
Wow. Pretty good.
Good?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. Got a little bit of energy.
Yeah?
It was nice and relaxed there now.
You like the beach?
Yeah. Nice technique, I like it.
Great, great. Okay, I think this session, whether it was surprising, but I think it went well.
Productive.
I'd like to see a follow-up. Do you want to follow up? You know what? I want both of you to call me and let me know how you're feeling. You are going to decide if you need a follow-up. How's that?
Good enough.
Good?
Me too? Really?
Both of you,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool.
I want you to realize that you are Steve DeGennaro and Joe Pasillo. Okay?
Not Clyde.
No.
Okay.
Okay?
Well, I was just,
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
moving a little bit, having a little bit of an identity crisis there for a couple of days. And
I
like,
know. I've
thinking
heard-
about
I've
this.
heard from your family and friends also.
Mm.
Yeah, you need to exist as who you are, okay?
Well, Clyde is shaved, like he has his head shaved, right? I mean, he's bald.
Well, if you play Clyde, he's going to have his head shaved.
Right.
If I play
If
Clyde.
you play, yeah. Well, I mean, you had to shave, but I see that there's a rough spot there.
All right, so that was in a rush.
That's why you
I
missed
missed
the
a
spot.
spot.
It's all right.
Okay,
It's,
okay.
you know, it
Okay,
makes an
listen
okay
up.
Clyde, I guess.
Listen up.
I'm
You
just
both
saying.
need to see Julie on the way out,
Ju-
okay? And
Is Joe
yeah,
working today?
okay,
Joe, the security guard, Joe?
I told him he can leave early because you are on your best behavior, and I'm very proud of the both of you for the finals, okay?
Dickhead.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank Doc.
All right, Doc.
Thank you.
Thank you. Did you hear what her
Okay.
name was, by the way?
What?
Oh, I'm Dr. Clyde.
Oh, that's
I thought I was Clyde.
I
Really.
did too. So, that's funny.
No.
You're the only actual Clyde here.
No, I'm Clyde. My name is Clyde. I'm Clyde. I'm
No,
gonna
you're
explain
Steve.
Clyde
Didn't you hear what she said? You're Steve,
Oh,
yeah.
Di
now.
Gennaro,
Okay,
I'm Joe Pasillo.
Yeah, Joe.
All right, none of this
Pasillo.
method acting
No,
nonsense,
method
okay?
acting.
Living the character. You're Steve. I'm Joe. That's
Okay.
it.
All right, Joe.
You don't have to be Clyde now. You have to be
Yeah.
Clyde in a couple weeks.
Oh, okay.
All right?
A couple weeks.
You're okay.
You got it.
Okay?
All right.
All right. No more violent
Joe,
episodes.
right. Joe.
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 Remember, we're friends.
Joe. Yeah, Joe.
Okay.
Oh, of
Yeah.
course we're
I
friends.
think I made more progress in this session
We're
than he
friends
did.
and-
Yeah, well, that's
Well,
why,
I'm a regular
actually-
customer of hers. I'm a regular client. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I know you don't like that word, customer, but
No.
that's really what it is. Since
It-
I'm paying everything I
You're a
have to you,
patient. You're a
she charges
patient.
a ridiculous
You're a
amount of money
patient.
an hour by the hour, and then she don't even give you a full hour. It's
Steve,
only
do
a
you need
15-minute
another
session.
prescription, maybe? Are you...
Oh, you take meds? See, I don't take the meds.
You know,
Talking's good with me.
You know, maybe that's a confidential thing that you should stick to when nobody else is around, if you
I'm
know what
sorry.
I mean.
Well, you barged in here.
Yeah.
I mean,
you were,
this was a private session, which you would have had a private session had you
Yeah.
not barged through the door.
True, but
You know,
if you didn't
you
take my
injected-
session in the first
All right,
place,
okay.
I didn't take your session. I made an appointment.
No,
and
you
Julie,
didn't.
come-
get
you
security!
didn't come barging
You
through the
kinda
door.
did, yeah,
All
you
right,
did. Yeah, okay, Clyde,
All right,
yeah,
kid,
right,
don't
right.
touch my head. Don't touch my head.
Oh, okay. I won't touch your
Joe's
head. I'm
coming
sorry.
back.
Yeah, it's rough. I'm getting.
I
Look,
All right,
told
what happened to the
Joe.
beach and the ball and
Yeah, the
then
beach.
the nice thing? All right.
You know what?
Yeah, that was
The both
perfect
of you,
setting.
I want
know.
you out.
Well, Doc, I didn't start this.
No,
Doc.
no,
No,
I-
you're amazing.
Hi, I'm Steve DiGennaro,
And I'm Joe Pasillo.
and we're here together as friends, having some fun with this video. And thanks for watching. We want you to tune in to see the outcome of the finals that we're both in for Clyde.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure you vote for one of us here. I don't know.
Yeah,
We'll see.
vote for one of us.
Yeah, vote.
Just
yeah,
one.
Yeah, one. Right. One.
I want to thank you all for your support, all our friends, all the people on LiveMansion.com. Thank LiveMansion.com for the opportunity that they've given us.
Yes. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.